Hey everyone, my name is Josh from CBS, and today we're going to go over how to make a laser source using FRED. To get started, we're going to select New Document. After we've done that, right-click on the Optical Sources folder, mouse over Create New Source Primitive, and select Laser Beam. We're going to leave all the default settings, but we're just going to change the color to red, and select OK. Now we're able to view our laser in the 3D view. And after we've done that, we're going to right-click on the Geometry folder, mouse over Create Element Primitive, and we're going to select Plane. From here, we're going to increase the X and Y semi-apertures to 2, and then we're going to mouse at the bottom, right-click and append, and apply a shift of 5 in the Z direction. Click OK, and select the View All button, and now we can see both our laser source and our plane in the 3D view. Now we're going to create our analysis surface by right-clicking on the Analysis Surface folder and selecting New Analysis Surface. We're going to uncheck Auto Size to Data and change the min-max to be 2 and the divisions to be 51 by 51. We then select OK. From here, we're going to open the surface of our plane, and then we're just going to drag and drop the analysis surface onto our plane surface, and then from here we can see that it has been applied. And from here, we're going to run the trace and render, and as we can see, our beams have hit our analysis plane and have been stopped. Using the irradiance spread function, we'll be able to see the irradiance profile of our laser beam, which here we can see a primary focus in the middle, and it slightly loses intensity as it moves out. And to show you that a laser beam behaves properly in FRED, we're going to move our analysis plane to about 5,000 in the Z direction. Select OK. We're then going to rerun our ray trace. As we can see, our rays are still being halted on the surface, and in the radiance spread function, will show us that our radiance profile has widened due to the Gaussian profile of our laser beam. And there you go. As always, CBS is here to provide you with the best possible support when it comes to working with FRED. Keep an eye out for even more helpful content.